Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry with Donnelly Ford coming to you this morning. I have a 2022 Kia EX. It has one owner, a clean Carfax, and just over 5,000 miles on it. This is a great deal. This is a wonderful fuel-saving car. You're going to get about 28 miles in the city and around 30, or I think it was 32 in the highway. It comes with fog lights. It has some really nice bright headlights on it as well. You've got smart entry, remote start, because let's face it, we live in Ohio and we like our remote start. Lots of really good tread left on these tires. Inside, this vehicle is nice and clean. Over here to the left, you have your dashboard light adjustment, your lane keeping assist, your blind spot monitoring, and your idle stop control, as well as your stabilization. Both of your front seats are heated. You can select regular or sport mode here. Nice big 8.5-inch screen. This comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Up top, we've got a sunroof. Again, this car is very clean, one owner, very low miles. This Kia Soul EX is loaded with convenience and safety features. It's also still under manufacturer's warranty. Priced at just under $20,000, this is a great choice. Come in and see me, Sherry, at Donnelly Ford, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. Thanks. Looking forward to going on a test drive.